3, 2, 1, go!
Lakers over the top of the king of the Ravens shooting from the trench. They got like 39 points in the time. Let's step on the drive and play a little reaping. Lakers catch a little air. Red Alliance is in a scoring position. Robots. They've got some in the machine. Ravens clearing out a lot of that fuel from the neutral zone. And they're ready for that shooting solution. Ravens moving that hopper, feeding their shooter. Terabytes not moving over there in the trench on the far side of the field. Lakers back, looking for that shooting solution. Nice soft shot up and over. Starting to close the gap. Got a 2-point game. Last minute to play in qualification match number 12. Terabytes still stuck in that trench on the far side of the field. Meanwhile, their partner, the Ravens out of Royal Oak, unleashing a barrage. Now we're in the last 30 seconds. They got their shooters jammed up. Now they're feeding their human players. Human players starting to get a few in. Down to the last 5 seconds. Lakers are back in, trying to make another shot. Time expired. Scores. We got scores. It's the Blue Alliance driving off into victory, 129-73. Got 5 points in penalties there, and 4 ranking points for the Blue.